Good afternoon or good morning, whatever it is where you are. It's actually morning here. Welcome to another Lego video. I know this this channel's generally stuff to do with cars, but I've done a lot of Lego videos recently, and I've just had this one bought for me by my girlfriend for my birthday. It's the Lego Created Fiat 500 10271, and yeah, it'll be a nice little addition to my range of collector vehicles. So today's job is to build it. I've done quite a lot of videos recently on the Ecto one, which you can see there, and I've done a comparison with the other ones. I'll do some more videos if people are interested in seeing some more Lego Creator videos. I'll do some more. Done a few where I modified the Beetle as well. But yeah, if anybody's interested in any more vids, just let me know in the comments, and I'll quite happily do them, because they're nice sets, and I'm quite happy to do videos about them. So yeah, so today I'm going to be building this, the Fiat 500. So I don't know what size it's actually going to be when it's built, so it'll be interesting to compare size-wise. I think it's smaller than the Beetle, and probably about the same size as the Mini, so it'll be interesting to compare when built what it's like. So I think it's definitely smaller than the Beetle, because I've seen photos of it built and it is smaller than that, but it's probably going to be about the same size as the Mini. So one thing I have noticed is that the wheels, because I've had the box open already, but the wheels are pretty much exactly the same as the ones on the camper van. Exactly the same design, so the white with the kind of silver finish hubcaps, so they're identical to the camper van wheels. So yeah, I'm going to open the box and lay the bits out and make a start on it. So what I'll do is I'll do a couple of videos, little short videos like this one, 2-3 minutes long, not particularly long, just showing different stages of the build for anybody who's interested. So I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, bye.